Hi and welcome to my channel. This is Seema here. Today we are going to be making a DIY quick to make brush or pen holder that you can carry in your bags very easily. If you're traveling and you want to carry some supplies like your brushes, paints or pens, you can easily carry them with you. Now without further ado, let's just jump into it because I'll show you two methods on how to make it. So to begin with, let's start. You will need two pieces of felt. Here I have A4 sheet of felt. You can use any kind of cloth, recycle cloth from your home, and here I'm using these A4 sheets that are available in the market. Now what I've done here is taken one sheet of felt, and I've just cut it into half, as you can see, and one sheet that is full. Next thing you need is a glue stick and a glue gun. And you can see me doing it. I'm just going to start sticking. Get your glue gun nice and hot, stick the edge, and then every few inches, about I'm going to be using it at an 3/4 of an inch apart. I'll make a line of hot glue and then stick it so for the individual channels to be there. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm sorry, the video, I'm shaking my camera a little too much. Okay, so I just go ahead and make a line like that of glue. Just leave enough gap for your pen or pencil to be there, to get in there. And you need to also glue the bottom part so that it just doesn't slip out, right? So you just go ahead and do that and right till the end. As I was saying, I have not been making many videos, but I'm going to get more regular now. Right, once you reach the end, you will be using a ribbon. You will attach a ribbon here, which will be your lock system or wrapping it. When you wrap it, you can tie this ribbon and it's locked. So that's how you do it. And this is the simpler method using a glue gun, and it's done in under 5 minutes. And you can go just put your pens and pencils in there and it's good to go. Now the next method is by stitching. So you can use a blanket stitch to get to the edges. So I'm just trying to show you how you can go ahead and stitch the edges. You will follow the same method. I'm sorry, there's thunder outside. And this is also quick, but if you have a machine, you can do this even more quickly. Just line up two pieces of cloth. Now it doesn't need to be felt, it can be any thick cotton cloth, or any kind of cloth that you want. You can use it for making all kinds of brush holders and stuff like that for travel, or even if you want to keep them in your drawers, this is a good way to keep them. So you just go about. In the center, I'm using a running stitch here. On the edges, I used a blanket stitch. Just up and down, simple. This is another way of folding it, and it's done. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, do not forget to share, subscribe to my channel, and like my video. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.